Section 336500, cleaning petroleum storage tanks. The August 11th. August 2011. Notice the guide specification covers the requirements for cleaning up the interior of the concrete or steel tanks used in petroleum storage. Adhere to the UFC 1300-02 Unified Facility Guide specifications, the UFGS for standards for editing this guide specification of preparing new project specification sections or editing the guide specifications project specific requirements for adding, deleting, revising text for bracketed items, choosing applicable items, or inserting appropriate information. Remove information required and not required to respective project, whether or not the brackets are present. Common suggestions, recommendations, changes for the guide specifications are welcome. Should be submitted into the criteria of changing requests to CCR. Note the following information shall be shown on the project drawings. Site plan of the project is shown as surrounding in the area of the tanks. Other construction will affect the safety distance from the tank to be cleaned. Planning elevation of the tank to be cleaned for the associated piping and appendices. Part 1, General. 1. The references. Paragraph is used for the list of publications cited in the text of the guide. Specifications, publications refer to the text and basics designation only in the listed paragraph. Organization designation date in the title. Use of the reference wizard check. Reference feature when you are added the RID outside of the section. Reference article automatically places the reference in the article. Also, the reference of the wizard check. Reference failure to update the issue dates. Reference does not include the status, does not include the text, automatically be deleted in the section of the project specifications you choose from. The read counsel refers to the publish and printer process. The publication listed below are the parts of specifications to the extent of the reference. The publications refer to the next basic designation only. The American Petroleum Institute, the AIP RP 2003, is a protection against ignitions arising from static lightning or stray currents. AIP RP 500 of the hereditary classification locations of electrical installation of petroleum facilities classified in Class 1 divisions and Class 1 divisions and 2 divisions. API Standards 2015-2014 Safe Entry Cleaning of the Petroleum Storage Tanks. National Fire Protection Association. The NFPA 306 Standards of Control of Gas Hazards on Vessels. NFPA 700 of the 2000 AMD 1 2013, ERETA 2013, AMD 2013, ERETA 2 in 2013. AMD 3 in 2014, ERETA 3 in 2014, National Electrical Code, National Institution for Occupational Safety and Health, the NIOSH, National Institution for Occupational Health 99109, latest certified equipment list. U.S. Army Corps Engineering, U.S. ACE EM 385-11, ERETA Safety, Health and Requirements. U.S. Department of Division. The MIL A 22262, revised of the AM 2 1996, embraced blasting of media ship hull blasting and cleaning. Mill preferences 680, revisions of the degreasing solvent. The U.S. General Administration serves the GSA and the FSO D1276 disinfection detergent, general purpose of the pine oil. U.S. National Archives, Records and Administration, the NARA. You have your Title 29 and Title 40. And we'll just go down the list. Sledge benzene, hazardous operational emergency response, hazardous communication, respiratory protection permit, required confined spaces, gases, vapors, fumes, dust, mist, hazardous waste management system, general identification list of hazardous waste, standard applicable generators of hazardous waste, standard applicable transporters of hazardous waste, standard owner and operators hazardous waste treatment and storage and disposal facilities, interim status storage of the owners operators hazardous waste treatment storage and disposal facilities, standards of management specification, hazardous waste, specific types of hazardous waste management facilities, underwriter laboratories, the UL 844 standard luminaries for use of hazardous classified locations, 1-2 submittals.